and all single sheet metal. Body shop, what happens? All sheet metals joins together. We have different type of joining technique. We have welding, we have zero joint, we have MIG welding, stud welding, projection welding, etc. etc. Now what you are seeing in a body shop is a 75% automated shop. We have set up in a record time of 18 months. We had a best in class line builder or supplier who has set this line, like from Europe, from the Japan, and so on. And we have around 4,000 to 5,000 spot weld in each body style. So right to me, what you can see the framing line, very important line. You can see the robo is getting welded, welding right now. You can see the welding is being carried out by robo, and this is the body style. It goes this port, and that's how it goes. And we will keep a pause here. We will have a chance to see from elevated view of entire automation. It will be, you can see here rear door is getting assembled as the body progress further. You may see front door is also set now. So this body you can see front and rear door, and that's how it assembled stage by stage in terms of tailgate, fender and hood. So this line is getting ready, completely skin panel of the body. What you saw on top is a skeleton. On the skeleton frame body, we assembled all skin panel assembly out of this body. Now what you can see is lighting hoods, which is a metal finished line, dents and dings, and they make sure that they clean up properly before this body goes to our customer, which is in a paint shop. So this is where the body will travel through here on the elevators, and it goes to paint shop. Now this is, look at that, this is a VF3. What we have already built is in progress.
For testing purpose only. So unfortunately we have no more VF3 remain in our shop, and you cannot see any VF3 here. And we are going through on the thin line at the moment. This area we just build an assembly on smallest component on our vehicle, on our body. Our capacity, we can run around 38 jobs per hour, and to reach 250,000 vehicles per year. That is mix ratio between the own model. We have total 4 trim lines, and by the end of the